If you truly want to connect with your customers all at once or one at a time to drive sales and traffic, SMS marketing's 98% open rate makes it the most effective and efficient channel available today. Let's face it, emails have lost their luster, social media offers low conversion in overcrowded spaces, and direct mail isn't called junk mail for nothing. Text marketing cuts through the clutter to deliver attention-grabbing sales alerts, new product and service announcements, and exclusive offers to your most loyal customers. Text marketing's push notification functionality already makes each text personal, but easy texting makes it simple to personalize all your messages, while two-way texting allows for conversational marketing moments and a one-to-one connection to your customers. Upload existing contacts that have opted into receiving SMS messages or enter contacts manually. Then, group and segment your lists for quick targeting later, ensuring that the right message is sent to the right people at the right time. You can also save time by putting Easy Texting's automations to work for you. Create a drip campaign to keep customers hooked, schedule messages, and connect through Zapier to quickly integrate your Easy Texting account with any one of over 5,000 apps. Retailers and restaurants use SMS to promote new products, drive traffic, and power engaging mobile loyalty programs. Realtors use SMS marketing to gain a cutting edge by generating leads with list growth tools like keywords and QR codes, which also allow them to instantly promote new listings and open houses to potential buyers. While yoga studios, salons, pet groomers, and tax accountants use text marketing to promote new services and quickly fill available openings. But no matter your industry, SMS marketing's incredible 98% open rate is impossible to ignore when you want your sales and marketing messages seen.
Try it free at easytexting.com/start.